Frickins here, and today I want to show you these magic stacking markers. I'll show you some of its magical properties in just a bit, but first let's check them out. Here's a red marker. Here's an orange marker. And I'll stack the red marker on top. Nice! Okay, here's the yellow marker, and I'll stack this below the orange marker. Now let's check out this green marker. And stack it below the yellow marker now. I'm making a magic marker one right now. I need 2 more colors to finish it. Here's blue. And I'll attach it right below the green marker. Right now I got blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. I need 1 more color to complete it. Here's the purple color. Attach it below the blue marker. And the magic marker wand is ready for action. But before I use the magic marker wand, let me quickly make a paint palette with pink Play-Doh. Use this Minions roller. You would think I could magically make a paint palette with the wand, right? But I can't. Gotta do this part by hand. Just give me a few seconds while I complete this. Almost finished. Now I'll use half of a surprise egg to make the thumb holder. Okay, now I can do some magic. Paint colors, pop out! Alright, I was only able to get white paint to magically appear, so it's time to use the magic marker wand to get some different colors. I'll start with red. Okay, if I remember correctly, I just make a circular motion over the Play-Doh, and it should... Yes! The magic marker wand works! Here's red paint. Now it's time to use the orange marker tip, and I'll try again. I'm a wizard! I just made orange paint! Woo! I think I'm getting the hang of this. I'll try yellow now. 3 for 3. Just made fresh yellow paint. Alright, it's time to make some green paint. Excellent! My marker wand is getting shorter, but it still has its magic powers. Here, I'll show you by using this blue marker tip. Success! The white paint turned into blue paint. Okay, I have 1 more color to make. Here we go. And just like that, I made purple paint. Got the colors of the rainbow. Now I want to show you 1 more thing these magic markers can do. If you wave a marker at the same colored paintball, it'll turn into... a surprise toy! How awesome is this? The red paint turned into a Transformers surprise egg. Let's check it out. Here's some colored candy. Here are all the surprise toys we can collect. Whoa, check out this giant Bumblebee versus Steeljaw sticker. And the surprise toy is... Oh, nice! It's a Transformers disc shooter. And it comes with more than 1 disc. Time to test this out. Ready, aim, fire! Woo, that was fast. I gotta shoot this again. This is too fun. Go! And it's gone. Now I'll try transform this orange paintball. Wave the orange marker around. Oh, no way! A Star Wars surprise egg! This egg comes with 4 stickers: Darth Vader, R2-D2, Yoda, and a Stormtrooper. Here's some more colored candy. What? No way! Another disc shooter! This time we get 1 giant disc though. Let's give it a go. You guys ready? Oh, this one shoots pretty fast too. I'll try one more time. Woo! That's fast. Alright, yellow paintball, you're up next. Magic yellow marker, do your thing. Awesome! It's a Secret Life of Pets surprise egg. Here are all the surprises we can collect. Here's a giant sticker of Max. How cute! Some more colored candy. And a surprise. Oh, how cool! It's a Max magnet. I wonder what this green paintball is gonna turn into. I hope it's something good. Wave my magic green marker around. Ooh, a Brain Blaster surprise egg. Here's the sour candy. All of the surprises we can collect. A Get Sour Now sticker. And for the surprise, it's a Born to Be Sour pin. Alright everyone, 2 more paintballs to go. I'll magically transform this blue paintball now. Grab my blue marker wand. Nice! A Doc McStuffin surprise egg. Here are all the Doc McStuffin surprises we can collect. Which character do you want? Today, it looks like we got Stuffy because here are a bunch of Stuffy stickers. Ooh, and we get this awesome Stuffy keychain. Sticker. I like this one because Stuffy's one of my favorite characters. 1 more to go. Yeah, alright, purple paintball. What are you gonna turn into? Use this purple magic marker. Yes! A troll surprise egg. Here are all the troll surprises we can collect. Oh, nice! We got a Cooper and Fuzzbird sticker. Some jelly bean-like candy. And the Guy Diamond pin. Take it away, Guy Diamond. Glitter bomb! Well, this was a